In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to figure out the Google form answers and how to show them. So be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. This glitch is constantly getting patched up, so make sure you are aware of this and do this at your own risk. So for example, on this question, what is 5 plus 5? We know that the answer is 10. But if it was a more complicated question, we could right-click and view page source. I'm going to click line wrap at the top so that I can see all of this in a vertical fashion, but I'm also going to click Control F so that I can search 5 plus 5. Now you're going to look for this one that has null and 2. There is another piece of code that says it over here. It says null 2. So as you can see, it shows the questions. So you're just going to search up the question, and then it says null 2, and then shows all of the different answers. There's 12, 10, and 3. So what the null 2 means is that the second option is the correct one. And that's all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.